What if your AI could understand your entire project before you even ask a question? Instead of explaining everything again and again, what if it already knew your code base? In this video, we'll set up Claude Code inside our project using a very important command /init. And this is what turns Claude from a simple assistant into a project-aware AI agent. Now let's understand this with a real example. Here is an existing project, Tech Haven, an e-commerce website for laptops and electronic gadgets. Now let's say I'm not familiar with this project and I don't even know how to run it. Instead of figuring it out manually, let me ask Claude to run this project. Claude has agentic capabilities, which means it can read files, understand the code, and even execute commands in the terminal. Now watch this carefully. Claude is now reading multiple files, understanding how this project works, and figuring out how to run it. And now the project is running successfully. So even without knowing anything about the project, Claude was able to figure it out. So what exactly is /init? When you run this command, Claude scans your entire project. It looks at your files, your structure, and how your code is organized. Then it creates something very important, a file called claude.md. This file helps Claude understand your project every time you interact with it. Now something important just happened. Claude has analyzed the project and created a context for it. This means from now on, Claude understands what this project is about. Now if you ask any question, Claude will answer based on your project, your implementation and your design. Not just a generic answer, but something tailored to your code base. And this changes everything. Let's open the claude.md file. Think of this file as Claude's memory for your project. It contains a summary, structure, and important details about your code base. The better this file is, the better Claude performs. We can also improve this file. For example, we can add notes about our project. This helps Claude understand what problems exist and how we want to improve them. Now let's try the same thing again. I will ask Claude to run the project one more time. Now notice the difference. This time, Claude did not analyze the entire code base again. It ran the project almost instantly because now Claude already has memory of this project. And instead of reading all files again, it is using the claude.md file as a reference. This is exactly how memory works in Claude Code. Once the project is understood, Claude can reuse that understanding to respond faster and more accurately. It works as a persistent memory for this project. You can even share with other developers by committing it with the project root directory. And this is not just limited to Claude. Most agentic AI systems work on similar concepts. This is where Claude stops being an assistant and becomes an agent. In real world projects, this becomes extremely powerful. Without memory, Claude behaves like a general assistant. It gives generic answers, but with memory, Claude becomes project aware. It understands your code base, your structure, and your intent. And this is the first thing you should do before starting work on any project. Because this is what allows Claude to work with your code, not just answer questions. And this is the first step to using Claude Code effectively. If this helped you understand how Claude setup works, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel Stoller Stack. Also, this is part of a complete playlist where we are learning Claude Code from beginner to advanced. So make sure you check out the full series. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. In the next video, we'll learn about context and use it to fix a real bug in our project.